After a good performance in the Bihar Assembly elections, Asaduddin Owaisi's party is on the highs of AIMIM. Now he is trying to make its move in other states as well. Owaisi is now eyeing the elections to be held in Madhya Pradesh. With the entry of Owaisi in Madhya Pradesh, the BJP is sure to get a setback. BJP is becoming weaker due to the rebellion already witnessed in BJP in Madhya Pradesh. It will be difficult for them to enter the urban body election strongly. Now this problem has been further increased by Owaisi, the ardent opponent of BJP. Owaisi is trying to make a move in the state with the civic body contesting in the elections. AIMIM working president Naeem Ansari said that party supervisors from Hyderabad are doing internal surveys in different areas of Madhya Pradesh these days. So far, survey has been done in Ratlam, Indore, Khargone and Burhanpur. He has told that after the survey, the High Command will decide whether to contest the civic elections in these 6 cities only or that more cities can be contested. Till now, AIMIM has not contested any election in Madhya Pradesh, and if Owaisi's party fielded its candidate in the civic elections, it would be considered as the beginning of his election journey in Madhya Pradesh. At the same time, his entry can also increase BJP's problems because in the civic elections of Madhya Pradesh, BJP always dominates itself, and in the last civic election, all the mayor posts were occupied by BJP. But recently in the civic elections of Greater Hyderabad, BJP was challenged in Owaisi's stronghold. It will be interesting to see if Owaisi will challenge BJP in his stronghold or not.